Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your Discord account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So in this tutorial, you can do this even if you don't have the Discord application on your device. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your browser and then search for discord.com. And now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on Open Discord in your browser. But if you want to download a Discord app on your Windows, just go ahead and click this download for Windows, okay? So now I'm just gonna click that. And then here, I just you just need to, the first step is you just need to put or type your username and then just need to verify that you are a human. Okay, so now once you've done that, just go ahead and click here for verification. Just go ahead and click verify by phone. And now you just need to search for your country and then type your phone number and send. And now just go ahead and wait for the message. But while waiting for the message, again, you just need to verify that you are a human. And now here, I received the message and my code is 407587. And now you just go ahead and enter your password. And now you just need to put your email address so that they can verify it. Okay, so let me type my email and the password of my email. So now this is funny. I'm not sure about my password, so let me just drag in here. Please check your email and follow the instructions to verify your account. If you did not receive an email or if it expired, you can resend one. So now let me just check my email, okay? Now as you can see, Discord sent me an email, and now just go ahead and click on verify email. And here, verifying your email, then again, you need to make sure that you are a human. So let's just wait, then continue to Discord. And then now let's just go ahead and check your Discord app. So if you don't have the app, just go ahead and proceed to the Discord website on your browser. Okay, so that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you. And please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.